Hello students, let's move on to part 2 of chapter 8. Now in this part, we will see about the flowcharts. So basically what is flowchart? A flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps of an algorithm used for solving a particular problem. So if you have prepared the algorithm and from that the flowchart will be drawn very easily. To create a flowchart, different boxes are used which are connected to each other with the help of flow lines as shown in figure. Flowcharts assist in finding and removing errors at different steps and in different phases of the program. So this is the benefit of using the flowchart. So if you have written the program and if you want to find out the error, the flowcharts are useful for that. Now let's learn different boxes and their function. The first box is the start and stop box. It is used, the oval shaped box that is in the figure is used in the beginning, at the end and at the end of the flowchart. Now input output box. This input output box is used for accepting input or giving output of the program. The next box is the processing box. The processing box is used for writing the processing instructions and doing calculations. The next box is decision or condition box. It is used for checking or applying any condition in the program. Now the next is flow lines. Flow lines are arrows that are used to connect the various geometrical symbols in a flowchart. Flow lines show the direction in which the program is moving. And the last one is connectors. So the connectors are used to connect one part of flowchart to another. So these are few boxes by using which you can draw the flowchart. Flowcharts are helpful in analyzing the logic of a problem. So if you want to know the logic of any problem, you can use the flowchart. Now, how to draw the flowchart? Let's understand with the help of example of write down the process of making a tea. So first we will start. Then the next step is the input. So we will take a pan, water, sugar, tea leaves and milk. Now we will do the processing. So we will put pan on the gas burner and pour water into it. Now next we will turn on the gas burner. We will add some tea leaves when water boils. And then we will add some sugar and milk. After it boils, take off the pan, and the last step will be the output, that is strain it in a cup and serve the hot tea. And the final step will be the stop. Okay, so this way you can draw the flowchart, but you have to remember the boxes of the flowchart. Now here there is a quick quiz for you. Explain the process of preparing a vegetable sandwich. So how to do this? You will write down by your own. Now the next example we will see the calculate the sum, difference and product of two numbers. So what will be our first step? First step is start. Then we will input two numbers, that is A and B, that are the inputs. Now we will do the processing, that is sum is equal to A plus B, so the processing box will come. Then we will print the sum and that will be the output, so output box will come. Then again we will do the processing, that is difference is equal to A minus B. Then we will again print difference. Then we will calculate the product. So product is equal to A into B will come in processing box. Then we will print the product that will come in input output box. And the last step is stop. Now here you have to keep in mind that the general direction of flow in any flowchart is from top to bottom or left to right. Just remember this. Now we will see one more. Draw a flowchart to find the greater number among the two numbers A and B. So let's start. The first will start, then the input output box will come, that is input A and B. Now we will check the number, that is A is equal to B. If yes, then we will print both numbers are equal and directly the stop will come. But if A is equal to B will be wrong, then we will check that is A greater than B. If it is yes, then we will print A is greater than B. Now, if it is not, then we will print B is greater than A. And finally, the stop will come. So here we have used the decision box. Let's know more. Flowcharts become complex if the program logic is complicated. And you may be required to draw the flowchart again if it needs alterations. Okay, so if you will do any changes, you have to draw the flowchart again. So here our chapter ends. Thank you for watching my video.